Hi, everybody. Got a minute? I'm Julie, and we're going to do some green cleaning here, making some green cleaning products. So I'm going to make a wood floor cleaner, and this is perfect for wood. You don't want to overdo it too much, though, because it does have olive oil in it. So you want to just maybe do this weekly, not on a or every other week. So this is going to take just a few seconds. You take 1.5 tablespoons of Thieves Cleaning Concentrated Cleaner. This stuff right here, amazing. You need it in your life. It lasts a long time. It actually is cheaper than going out and getting some cleaning products of your own. You can make it a lot more cost effective. So you just add that right in there. And then you add 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil, and you definitely don't want to go overboard on the olive oil because it will make your floor slippery, and it will, if you just use just enough though, it'll soak it in and it'll be really good for the olive oil. All right. Lastly, I like to add some extra lemon and thieves oil. So I just add about 5 drops. 5. And then 5 drops of lemon, and guess what? You are done. Just add water and spray on your floors. Wipe it with a microfiber mop, and just watch how pretty your floors get. All right. If you guys would like that recipe, please text me the word wood floor, all one word, to 910-466-3015. So awesome. Y'all have a great, wonderful, beautiful day.